Hello dear students, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Yes, so here in the last class we completed our second lesson also, and in today's class we are going to learn a grammar part which is given in your textbook on page number 15, that is about the tense. Okay, page number 15. Page number 15. So here you have this grammar part, that is simple and continuous tenses. Simple and continuous tenses. Simple and continuous tenses. So this is actually revision. Yes, revision. So I will write here revision. Revision of simple and continuous tenses. Yes, so simple tenses and continuous tenses. Yes, here. So first, yes, see here, already we learn about simple and continuous tenses. Yes, all tenses actually we learn in bridge course. So in today's class only revision is there on simple, yes, simple present tense, simple past tense, and present continuous and past continuous. Okay, which one? Simple present, simple past, present continuous and past continuous. So here in your textbook page number 15 and 16, on 16 they given homework. You have to underline or you have to find out which is the continuous tense. One sentence means sentence they given, which sentence is which tense, from which tense we have to find out it. So we have to learn a recap. We have to see, yes, what is simple present, what is simple past, what is continuous, we have to see. So first I will explain shortly about the simple present tense. So simple present tense, what we can find out in simple present tense, what it expresses. Yes, just recall it. So simple present is expresses the now of an action. Now means now the time. At this time what we are doing, see, recent time or situation it is expressing. So I'll write here expresses, yes, now, and now means what we are doing. So expresses, I'll write here the now, expresses the now of action or situation, of action or of an particular action, of an action or situation. You know, present means present situation. At present time what we are doing. Got it? What we are doing at present. So it is showing with the simple present tense. Now what is the syntax of writing simple present tense? Yes, that is subject plus verb s or es plus object. This is a syntax of the writing simple present tense. Just recall it. Got it? Now s and es. When to add s, when to add es, that also we have to see. Got it? So what we learned there? Yes, when it is first person or second person, we have to use as it is verb. Okay, base form of the verb. But when there is the third person like he, she, it, we have to add s or es to the verb. Yes, here I will write if it is I, okay, or you can say that you, okay. One more, I, you, we and they. We and they. When these four first person is there, what we can do? We have to write base form of the verb. base form of the verb. Here one example, see here, play. Next example, speak. As it is, we have to write. Why? Because here first person is there. When there is a third person, he, she or it, what we have to do? We have to add s or es to the verb, base verb. So what is the example? Play become plays and speak becomes speaks. Yes, are you getting my point? Yes. So we learn this. So here this is the syntax, subject plus verb s or es, okay, and object. So here one example, she lives in Chikkodi. Here example, she lives in Chikkodi. You tell me why we added yes here. Why we added yes? Because here person, which person is there? Third person is there. She. Okay, not I and you. Third person, she. So she is there, so we added s to the verb. Got it? One more example I will tell you. I eat a mango. I eat a mango. Here we not added anything. Why? Yes, because the first person is I. Subject is I. Subject is I. Here subject is third person, she. So we added yes. So here not necessary to add. Got it? Again, he works in Delhi. He works in Delhi. Here just see, what is the subject? Subject what? He. He is the third person here. So we have to add s to the verb. So these are the example of simple present tense. Now you are clear? Yes. Simple present tense express the noun of an action or situation. So we have to add s or es when it is third person. Got it? So here you are clear about simple present. Now come to the simple past. Now simple past. I'll write here simple past tense. It express which, now see here, it was the simple. So now what is the changes are there? Here this is not necessary. Yes, in past it will not come. Past only verbs, past form will come. So it express an action or situation that began and ended in the past. So how it express? It express the situation, or you can say that first action or situation. Express action or, here I will rough it, action or situation. Action or situation which, yes, which started in the, or which began and ended in the past. Situation began and ended in past. So now you tell me, what is the syntax of writing simple past tense? What is the syntax of writing simple past tense? Subject, verb, which form? Second form plus object. This is the format or syntax of writing simple past tense. Yes, now tell me one example. Yes, Tom went fishing last time. I'll write here example. Tom went fishing last week. You tell me, see here, went it is what here? Yes, here went is a past form of the verb. Went here past form of the verb. What is the base form of the went? That is go. Go, went and gone. Go, went, gone. So this is the past form. So we have written yes or no? Yes. Next, one more example you can write here. I worked until 2 p.m. yesterday. I worked until 2 p.m. yesterday. So here also let's see worked. What is the base form of the worked? That is work. Work, worked, worked. Got it? So here we have to write second form of the verb because the past. This is the past tense. Yes? Clear point? Yes. Now we have to see. Now simple past and simple present we have seen. Now we have to see the continuous tenses. Yes? Simple future and continuous future we already have seen. For revision of the sake we are watching here simple and continuous, past and only present. Now come to the present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Yes, so present continuous tense when we are using it? Yes, I'll write here present continuous. Present continuous tense. So, present continuous tense, what it expresses? It expresses a continuous or ongoing action or situation that is currently happening, means it is currently going on. So, I am writing now, I am teaching now. So, it is a continuous tense. I am teaching now, I am talking now. So it expresses a continuous, or ongoing action. Continuous and ongoing action that is currently happening. Action that is currently happening. Now, you just tell me what is the syntax of writing present continuous tense? Yes. What is the syntax of the present continuous tense? Subject plus, yes, am, is, are, plus verb ing form, plus object. Am I right? Yes. So here, this is the format or syntax of the writing present continuous tense. Subject plus am, is, are, or, and here plus verb ing form plus object. So tell me one example. Yes, she is dancing. She is dancing. They are playing. She is also there, ing also there. Then again one example, tell me. I am playing. I am playing football. Right now I am playing football. So am is there and ing also there. Yes, am I right? See, present continuous tense. Here, this is a syntax of writing present continuous tense, and here examples are given. Now come to the fourth tense, that is past continue. Now we have seen the present continue tense. Now we have to see past continue. Past. Now present means it's showing the express the ongoing action. In the past, what is showing? it is showing that was action that was happening at the particular time. See, present continuous tense, it expresses continuous or ongoing actions that is not currently, yes, that was happening as a particular time, that was happening for a particular time. Now what is the changes here? In the present, am, is, are is there. Whoa, yes. In the past, was and were. And remaining all same. Was, were, verb ing and object. This is the syntax of writing past continuous tense. So tell me one example. Yes, I was going to spend the day at the park. I was going. Yes, I was going to spend my time or the day, spend the day at park. Here you check it, was is there and ing is there. One more example, I was going, okay, it was raining, okay, you can say that, or it was getting dark, it was getting dark. Got it? So this is the example of past continuous tenses. Now this you understood. On page number 16, see here you have 5 sentences. Okay, let me explain it once. 1 minute, you just have to wait. Okay, so what you have to do, on page number 16 you have these 5 examples. What you have to do, after watching this video, try to find out in which sentence particular sentence tense a particular sentence is. So here what they told, underline the verbs and identify their tense. You have to underline the verbs and you have to identify particular tense. She was painting with concentration when the ball, here ball rang, they told, maybe it was a bell rang. Okay. Next, are you still watching the television? That you have to find out. Grandpa went out to buy some soda but bought water instead. It was while they were heading to the beach that the accident occurred. And the last one, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So these 5 sentences you have to write down in your notebook. You have to underline verb and you have to identify which tense it is. Okay? Thank you. Watch this video thoroughly and solve the exercise related to this video. Bye.